Good morning, guys. Good morning, family. Welcome back to our series, Sights and Sounds of Montreal. This morning we'll be taking you along Ontario Street and towards the city center. The time now is 25 minutes to 9 in the morning. Yep. So it's good morning or good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you're watching us. Yep. This is a residential area, quiet place, playground for children. Yeah. And the sun is up in the morning. Yep. On Thursdays, all the trashes are removed. That's why there are trashes on the street in blue packets. Okay, let's keep moving. It's everywhere there. Yeah. Autumn is around the corner, as you can see with these yellow leaves. Yeah. You're welcome. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching our channel. Always like, share, and subscribe. Keep the channel growing. This is the junction of that is Ontario Street and Wall Street. That is St. Jacques Supermarché. Yeah, Super C there. Morning.
You film me, bro.
Yeah, how are you, bro?
I love getting filmed.
Oh, bro, you're welcome. You're on YouTube.
Yeah. Are you from Nigeria, sir?
That's right.
You Urumbi, Ibu. Where are you from?
I'm Nigerian from Benue State.
But your tribe?
Idoma. Have you been to Nigeria before?
I dated a Nigerian girl, sir.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
What's your name?
David Edelman.
Nice
to meet you.
It's a pleasure, bro.
Okay, hold on. Can I take a picture with you?
Yes, please, bro.
Okay, while you're filming.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna pull up my video. Hold on.
That's
okay,
good.
everybody, David Edelman here. I have a Leonard Cohen book. I made a new friend. His name is
Bantu.
Bantu, everybody. Bantu. He's visiting from Nigeria.
And this is
He's American. I'm American. We're both American.
No, Canadian.
You're Canadian.
Yeah, I'm from Montreal. Yeah.
You're from Montreal. I'm from Montreal too, bro. What up? Good to see you, bro. All right,
That's
thanks
a pleasure.
everybody. This guy's awesome.
Yeah, check yourself at I am Bantu.
Hold on, you know what I'm gonna do?
Right.
I'm gonna film this. Look at my face. Look at that. That's an amazing action
that's
for.
great.
You're awesome. I'm gonna get a coffee.
Okay,
Good
bro.
to see you,
Yeah,
brother.
yeah.
God bless.
Thank you. God bless you. Right. Oh, that's a jovial guy. Right. Oh, yeah. Thursday morning. That's great. Yeah, I like talking to guys like that. Very jovial guy. Okay, can we cross? I think we can. Yeah, technically. Yeah, we can. Right. Oh, the sun is up. Oh, look at that. Yeah, beautiful morning. Okay. We are walking along Ontario Street. Thursday morning, Montreal. I love the weather. According to the weather forecast, we're expecting 28 degrees today, which is brilliant. Oh, fantastic. Yeah, that's from next week. The temperature suddenly is going to drop. Yeah, but it's alright. Great. Yeah, okay. Right. You're watching sights and sounds of Montreal. Yeah, Montreal is a destination for many of our American friends who come here on holidays to see. And yeah, quite a peaceful city. Okay. Right. Yeah, that's okay. 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 Well, see you in the next episode, friend.